Hi guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will talk about the default arguments. So many times when you are creating a function, you pass the arguments, right, or the parameters. So argument is passed when you're calling it, and parameters are basically passed when you're defining it. So sometimes I use mix and match, but here I'm referring that these parameters. So idea is that if your user, let's say, forget to pass the argument when it is calling a function, then it will return an error, and we want to avoid that. And we can avoid that by simply passing the default arguments, which has a default value which will be used in case when no value is passed for that parameter. Okay, alright, so with that explanation, let's start. And circle area and radius is equals to 1, and that's how you specify it. It's pretty straightforward. Nothing else is required. So radius, and what I'll do is I will also import math.py or math simply to calculate the area. Math.py multiply with radius this and take a square of it and print the area. Simple, right? So if I execute this, and now if you see, I am not passing any argument, and my value is still, it is retaining a value because I have the default argument. So as you see that I have not passed any argument, still it has returned a value which is a pi value, because this is 1 and 1 square is 1. And what if I pass the value as 2.5? In that case, it will still return me a value, right? So this is how you can see that it will gonna work perfectly whether I'm passing or not passing the value. But what if I'm just removing this, executing it, and now I'm executing the function without passing the parameter? As you can see, it has returned the error, and it is saying that missing one required positional argument, radius. So to avoid such problems, what we usually do is pass the default argument, the value. Now it can be 1, it can be 5, it can be a string value, depends on your needs. Alright, let's go ahead and execute this, and we are good.